In this video, you'll learn a simple beginner-friendly method for making crispy, golden brown chicken that tastes like it came straight from a restaurant, using a flavorful seasoning blend and a delicious sweet potato side dish. This recipe transforms an ordinary meal into something special. Follow the easy step-by-step instructions to achieve the perfect crunchy coating while keeping the chicken tender and juicy inside, all with less oil and less mess than traditional frying. First, you need to prepare about 4 to 5 fresh chicken drumsticks, which I usually buy from a nearby supermarket. Next, brush a thin layer of olive oil evenly over the surface of each drumstick to prep them for cooking. This step might seem small, but it's actually essential. It prevents the skin from drying out as it cooks, helps the seasoning adhere properly instead of falling off, and ultimately works together to give you that beautiful golden color and perfectly crispy finish we're all after. To give the chicken a beautiful color and rich flavor, start by mixing salt, chili powder, garlic powder, and a dash of black pepper in a small bowl. Now, it's time to add a tablespoon of flour, which helps the seasoning adhere properly to the chicken instead of falling off, and along with that, a little baking powder, which plays an important role in keeping the meat wonderfully tender. Once everything is evenly coated, let the chicken rest for about 15 to 20 minutes so the drumsticks become tender and absorb the seasoning perfectly. First, peel one sweet potato and cut it into medium-sized pieces. This size ensures they cook through evenly while staying soft on the inside. Start by placing all the chicken pieces into a large bowl, giving them enough room to move around so the seasoning can coat each piece evenly. Next, sprinkle in a generous amount of salt, along with some smoked paprika, which adds that deep, rich color and a subtle smoky aroma. Then add a good pinch of freshly cracked black pepper for a little extra warmth and depth of flavor. Finally, drizzle a bit of olive oil over everything. This not only helps all the seasonings stick to the chicken, but also creates a beautifully warm, smoky flavor that pairs absolutely perfectly with every bite. Once everything is in the bowl, give it a good toss so the chicken is fully coated. Once the chicken has rested, place the drumsticks on top of the sweet potatoes, leaving enough space between each piece to allow the hot air to circulate evenly. Finally, lightly spray a thin layer of olive oil over the surface of the chicken. This helps the skin get crispy without drying out during the cooking process. Now, set the air fryer temperature to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius, and cook for around 30 minutes. The hot circulating air will help the skin turn crispy without needing a lot of extra oil. As the chicken begins cooking, you will slowly start to smell the delicious aroma of garlic, paprika, and roasted chicken filling the kitchen, while the seasoning coating on the outside starts turning a beautiful golden color. About halfway through, carefully flip the drumsticks over. This small but important step ensures both sides cook evenly and get that perfect, beautiful golden color all over to make the skin even crispier and more delicious. Lightly spray a thin layer of olive oil over the chicken. This simple step makes a huge difference in the final texture. Now carefully place the basket back into the air fryer, making sure it's properly seated in place. Continue cooking at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius, for those using Celsius, and let it cook for another 15 minutes. This final stretch of cooking time is what finishes the process completely, allowing the chicken to cook all the way through, while the outside continues to develop that perfect golden, crispy texture we're after. Once the cooking is finished, remove the chicken and sweet potatoes from the air fryer and arrange them on a plate, adding a sprinkle of chopped cilantro or black pepper to make the dish look even more appetizing. If you cut into one of the chicken drumsticks, you will see that the meat inside is perfectly soft and juicy, while the outside skin is beautifully golden, crispy, and full of rich flavor. The sweet potatoes are naturally sweet, with lightly caramelized edges, which perfectly balances the savory rich flavor of the chicken to create a satisfying meal that is both healthy and convenient. And that's it. With just a few simple ingredients and an air fryer, you can make crispy, flavorful chicken drumsticks that are juicy on the inside and perfectly golden on the outside, paired with sweet, caramelized roasted sweet potatoes. This easy meal is a great option for busy weeknights or whenever you're craving something delicious and satisfying. Give this recipe a try and see how easy it is to create a restaurant-style meal at home. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple cooking tips and easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.